What's up, channel? So today we have the four-wheeler loaded up, generator up there under the yellow, rain jacket, stretcher, board, gas, and this morning an earthquake struck Haiti, and we felt it in our house. We all rushed out. It was kind of a mess, and so like about an hour and a half away from us there was an extreme amount of damage, and we are just loaded up to go help them. We got our gear, our stretcher there, as you can see. We got extra clothes because we might be there a while, all kinds of stuff, and we may be going for a few days, and helping those who were affected by the earthquake. So I think it was about 7.0 or 7.1, around there, and we are going out to help those affected by it. So follow along on this trip. I'm trying to video as much as I can. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, I will try my best to video as much as I can for you guys. And that's about it for now. We're just here waiting on another team that's coming down from the mountains to go help out. They should be here soon, and then we're going to be heading south. So yeah. So we are just leaving now. We got rig 1 over there, rig 2 over here, and rig 3 over here. All Land Cruisers, and there's also others on the way. Okay, so here we are headed south. We got my dad there, Fano, and the other truck is up ahead. We also have a truck following us, and ahead of this truck we also have another that is a little farther ahead of us. So we just got to Cayes, where we are going. How much farther do we have to, guys?
No. 45 minutes.
So here's one building down, a hotel that has a few people trapped. So we are going to check it out. Okay, so here we are at a house, as you can see, a fallen house, and we are trying to locate somebody under this rubble here. So that is what we're doing at the moment. There's a helicopter out there too, and we're trying to get rubble away here. So we are here just digging around to see what we can find.
No, we just, the motor driver said that when we were down at another place, he said, oh, there's this other place here.
So there's obviously a lot of destruction. We're still at the hotel, and we've got people digging different places and news reporters. So we are now headed to a hospital to set up makeshift tents for the hospital's employees and personnel so that they have a place to sleep tonight. So we are just here to buy some tarps here, see if we can find some to make up the makeshift shelters. Just bought some tarps here, some rope here, and hopefully we can tie them to some trees so somebody has a dry place to sleep tonight.
On connaît Weston. C'est qui est problème avec Jay? C'est moins béni là.
So here we are at the place where we will be making makeshift tents.
His wife now. Emma. Emma? Come on. Boston.
So here we set up our first makeshift tarp area with the tarps we bought and the ropes we bought. And that is one, and we have one more to go. We are putting up our second tent. It's actually going to be right beside the first one, and that will be the home for somebody to sleep tonight. So here's the shack that we built, all done, and now we are going to actually so we decided to stay in Cayes for overnight, and now we are headed to Jeremy, a place almost 3 hours from here. They said the road is not passable, but we will see what we can do. So I think we're gonna talk with this guy. He came from Jeremy direction, and we're gonna see what he says.
Bonjour.
Salut.
Bonjour.
Bien.
Vous parlez anglais?
Français,
Français? Oh, dude, all of them. Where do you come from?
Company.
Company?
Yeah.
Can I get through to Jeremy?
For what? For the way it's not.
Why is it not easy?
Oh.
Wash? Okay. What about the bridge? Huh? Okay. How far did you come? Where you came from? How far is it up here?
That's probably in the city.
Cambre? Cambre? We're going to Cambre? Est-ce qu'il y a au gay service téléphone?
No.
Okay, digital?
Oh, this one,
Okay.
no. After Campier.
After Cambre?
So,
Okay.
we're gonna probably still try
Wait.
get there. Just kill the
Combien de minutes
mosquito.
pour aller Jeremy?
We're gonna try, but we'll see what happens. So we were at the General Hospital of Cayes just not too long ago, and there's a lot of injuries, head injuries, broken bones, fractures,
Est-ce que go machine passé là?
all kinds of stuff.
Go machine
And I did
avec
video
pour
because
tracteur.
of
Pour retirer
the
wash.
patient's privacy, I guess.
Oui,
So,
go
that's
machine
the
en
reason
bas.
I did the video.
Okay.
Anything. So, yeah, that's what we're up to this morning. So, yeah, I'll video some more.
Est-ce qu'il y a
see
monde pas
if
fait
we'll-
des autres?
There's a crack in the road, and all the way back there too. Crazy. Got gigantic cracks in the road. Some places the whole way over. And here is where we can go no more. Yeah, done one. So here's where we stop. No getting through this, obviously. The motos are trying to though. That's where we stop, guys. Get the truck down here. And we are heading back. So here is the rescue search we did yesterday. It looks like they are cleaning out
Can't hear you.
the remains of rubble. Okay, so now we are at a hospital here in Cayes, and we are cleaning out this little shack here for a temporary hospital for those who need surgeries, because they don't want to put them in that hospital back there because they are afraid of another earthquake. So that's why we are cleaning out this little place here and moving all the medical stuff from this to there. So that's what we're doing right now. The rest of the team, they went to another island to do some work and everything. So that's what they're doing. And we might have some other people fly in. We don't know for sure yet. But we might have to go to the airport to pick them up too. So here is the temporary surgery room. And this is what they'll be using for the next couple days to help those who are in need. Couple extra things coming. We just got home to our house in Petit Guave, and I am cleaning out the truck, which is much needed. We have so much trash in it. It's unbelievable. There's my bag there. We got all kinds of trash in the seats, and we'll probably find some pretty cool things like battery banks or something.
Okay.
Or a phone. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I'm cleaning it out, and we're getting ready to go tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be, well, actually now they're on an island. The rest of the team's out on an island helping the much needed out there, and we came back. We're gonna load up with water and medical supplies and head out there tomorrow to see what we can do. We took the four-wheeler off the back so that we actually didn't need it. Fortunately, that means that we didn't have to go up into any mountain areas to find people. And yeah, so that's what we're doing, and we'll load up, and I'll see you probably tomorrow.